And on we'll go. Good morning. So it is 7 o'clock in the morning where I am. I don't know what time it is for you right now. Usually I upload my videos at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and 7 a.m. California time. So if you're in California, you're in the same boat as I am. I am leaving for the airport in just about an hour. If you guys have been following me, you guys know that I have been in Los Angeles for the last 2 weeks, just kind of hanging out, visiting friends. I went to VidCon, super fun time. Right now I'm about to leave and I thought that I would take you along and just show you the Airbnb that I'm at because it is so adorable. They call it a bohemian retreat and it honestly is, but I thought I would go ahead and walk you through. Man, guys, this trip has been so crazy and I want to tell you more about it, but there's certain things, like there's a main portion of my trip that I feel like I can't talk about yet, but you guys are just gonna have to wait and see with everybody else. I'm gonna take you guys outside and we'll start out there and then we'll head in here and it is just so cute and I'm so excited to share it with you. I should probably sit down my coffee so I'm not struggling, but even the mugs, like the tiny little details of like the mugs are just so it's so adorable. Oh, there's so many tiny little details here that I'm just living for. I think it looks clean. Hold on, let me look at the bathroom so whenever we come over here, it's not a total mess. Okay, no, we're good. We're golden. Now to outside. It's also just like such a beautiful like temperature outside as well. So this is the view that you get from outside. You walk up these steps and there is a little seating area outside where you can just sit and hang out, and then there's also some magazines. I don't really know what this dude is doing here. Yeah, so there's just like a little, you know, monkey statue, casual. A little candle you can lit if you really wanted to, if you were that fancy. We got a big nice plant here, a little bean bag. This is one of my favorite parts, is the door. It's just big and open and it allows so much natural light in. And so then when you walk in, you get your first look at the whole place. How cute is this? I don't even know where to take you first. So I think I'm gonna take you, we're gonna go over here and look at this beautifulness. Just the detail here is absolutely adorable. Don't mind my whole mess chilling over here. I think this is actually a record player. Wow, I'm like a millennial over here, like, oh my god, is this a record player? I love it. There is like an in-window AC that I've been using, a whole bunch of records down here, and then here's kind of like just like a nightstand with some more paintings. Over here we have this cute little, you know, mirror. I don't even think you can see me. Hi, there we go. And then we have this desk over here and everything is like wood and bamboo. You're gonna hear me say this literally over and over again in this video. I'm like, this is my favorite part, this is my favorite part, but like literally this is actually one of my favorite parts. The tiny little details that they actually put in here by actually providing you with like crackers and granola bars and fruit, and then over here like wine glasses, bowls, silverware, coffee. We got that Starbucks, you know, we always got to get that Starbucks. Maybe that's why I love it so much here. Down below they have like more like blankets, cleaning supplies, this big fluffy pillow that I'm obsessed with, garbage, but even the garbage is cute. Like they have it in this like cute little basket. What? And then we have the bed, which I'm obsessed with. Oh, I just got a text. A text from who? Oh, sick. This is just picture perfect. I love the sheets, like the detail on the sheets as well. To be completely honest, this place had to have been designed by an interior designer. Because if not, whoever designed this has like some serious skill, because this isn't something I could just go to Target and create. This is something where I'm gonna have to like, honestly, I couldn't even do this even if I wanted to try. We have the big closet over here, tons of room here. And then we also have the microwave and the fridge just chilling here. And then the nightstand. I also forgot to mention that we have like, so above all the snacks, we have like the TV. And then it's like the little tiny details all over the place. Like even, so we have this little thingamajig. I have no idea what that is, like horns. And then even the detail on the curtains, like this is like the curtain rack, like it looks like a deer. And the light fixtures, there's so much attention to the tiny, tiny, tiny little details. And then you walk over here, there's, you know, 2 little steps, and then you have a big full-length mirror. Let's turn on some lights so it's not as dark. I don't know how to work lights. Oh, there is no light in here. Okay, so here is the big full-size mirror. We have this little decoration on this wall, a little horse painting. If I wanted to close the door, I could, but I'm gonna keep it open just to allow some more light in here. But like even the view from here, this is too adorable for me. I do not deserve this. You walk into the bathroom and it just gets cuter, I swear. I don't even know what to show you first. Like, do I show you the toilet? So here's the toilet. And then we have this on top. Just really cute paintings and fixtures. And then we got the sink over here. Like even the sink is just so picture perfect. We have the big shower. And then when you shut the door, behind the door, we have this little star. We have these really cute towels and all of that. And actually, this is the first time I'm seeing that, so I actually might have done that. Oops. But because I am leaving, I thought that I would just go ahead and walk you through all of it. I just love this so much, and I'm definitely gonna take some inspiration from this Airbnb into my actual room because I don't know. Like when I think of Bohemian, I do think of LA, and it makes me just so happy because you guys know I want to live here so bad. It's a dream of mine to just live out here every single time I come out here. It's just the best place in the world and I love it. And I'm not one of those people who only want to move out here because of the hype of it. Like I genuinely love to be here, and the energy and the hustle, and everyone works so hard here, and that's an environment that I feel like I just need to be in. So we'll see what happens. And that was it. I hope that you guys enjoyed my little room tour, house tour, whatever you want to call it. I'm gonna go leave for the airport. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button if you guys have not already. We just hit 100,000 subscribers, so I hope that maybe soon we'll hit 150. Who knows? And give it a big thumbs up if you guys like these types of videos. I know for me, I love like interior design and all this stuff. It just makes me so happy. I like going on like dormify.com or, you know, or shopping on Target for like home decor. It just makes me so happy. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video and I will see you guys later. Bye.